These are some of the important key points. Kindly sit in the class with a notebook and a pen. Make a note of each and every concept, whatever I am mentioning it. Every shortcut should be there in your notebook. It will act as a reference for you. Not only this company, any other company is coming. It's very important for you to have a notebook with full of concepts and shortcuts. Watch the entire lecture. Anyway, I will keep seeing the comments. Who are all the students who are asking a lot of doubts and everything. This session is exclusively for serious and sincere students. At the end of this session, you will learn at least 35 plus shortcut concepts. 35 plus shortcuts, you will learn it. Today and tomorrow's session, we will also discuss a lot of concepts asked by a student community. Now, these are some of the reasons why I wish that each one of you will clear your placement companies papers which is coming to your college very soon. In case if you are not clearing your college placements, the reason could be one out of these reasons. The first thing is most of the students are unaware of what is coming in the examination, are unaware of all the beautiful concepts. They go through the traditional methods, they go through the X and Y and Z methods, long methods, and kill their chances of clearing it. It's very, very important for a student to know. Tomorrow, first 10-15 minutes, I will only talk about the time management and the strategy to do very well in DXC examination. Most of you might be thinking that, no, I think I will clear. Please do remember, gone are the days where good number of students are getting recruited. Most of the companies are playing a very watchful game and taking the best people, not only good in aptitude and reasoning, but also good in coding, and also they carry a personality of working with a team very beautifully. They are going to check your internships, they are going to check how you speak, they are going to check your co-curricular activities, extracurricular activities, your logical thinking skills, and most importantly, they will check whether you fit into the culture of the companies. Very, very important. Please do not take the exam lightly. Most of the engineering students, they think that they are very good in aptitude, but they end up not clearing the examination. You will feel sad in case if you do not clear it. Ensure that you pay little extra attention. Very, very important to know the previous year exams. And most importantly, I was speaking to a few of the students from the colleges where I was stressing on the importance of attempting the practice test, online test, to check your time management skills, your examination strategy skills. Please take a screenshot of it. Please take a screenshot of it. This could be one of the reasons in case if you do not clear it. And this screenshot will help you to analyze where you are going wrong. I will stand here for some time. Kindly take a screenshot of it. Very, very important thing for a student to know all these strategies. One slide I kept it for strategy because in most of the examination it is not only just an aptitude, reasoning and verbal. There will be an automata fix. There will be an coding related things. Very, very important for a student to know all these things. Most of the questions in the examination you will leave unattempted because you think that is a tough question or that is not discussed with you. Your familiarity with the question patterns is extremely important. And this is also one thing. Most of the students, they take the first test as the company test. Very, very important for you to attempt an online test, a trial test, to develop a strategy which maximizes. It's a very simple algorithm. Very simple algorithm. Understand the syllabus. Understand the syllabus. Learn all the concepts. Learn all the concepts, strategies, techniques. Attempt online test. Attempt practice test. Develop your own strategy. What works well for you will not work for your friends, and succeed. It's a very simple algorithm for you. First, understand the syllabus and learn all the concepts. When I say a concept, I am not going to say it in an R.S. Agarwal approach. Each and every student should know the optimal ways of solving the problem. Entire class, don't expect any traditional methods. Let us get into the subject. First question. See the first question. 9 by 14. 9 by 14 equivalent to how much? There are 4 options are there. 9 by 14, A option, B option, C option, D option. What most of the students do is, they do this wrong approach. Or unfortunately, teachers might teach them a wrong approach. 9 by 14. What they will do is, 9 they will divide by 14 and they will do 0.6, 84, 60. Right? People will laugh if you do this method. 9 by 14, converting a fraction into decimal, they will do this. In case if you are doing like this, I am sorry to say your understanding of aptitude, it is very, very weak. Concept. Every question I will discuss a concept. If this question is asked to an Anil Nair student, how beautifully, without doing like this, he will solve the question. This question, maximum it takes less than 10 seconds. If you know the concept. What is the concept? See here. Concept. Please write down, sir. A fraction, every slide is important to you, sir. A fraction is of the form numerator by denominator. A fraction is of the form numerator by denominator. Proper fraction, improper fraction, all that will come into this. DR represents a denominator. If the denominator is a power of 2 or a power of 5 or a power of 2 and 5, or a power of 2 and 5, I will get a terminating decimal. Terminating decimal means 0.32, 0.18. I will get a terminating decimal. Else means other than. If the denominator is not a power of 2 or not a power of 5 or not a power of 2 and 5, I will get a recurring decimal. I will get a recurring decimal. First concept in this question, directly go to the denominator, check if it is a power of 2 or it is a power of 5 or it is a combination of 2 and 5. If it is there, answer will be terminating decimal. Anything other than this one, it will be a recurring decimal. If Anil Nair students are solving this question, how they will solve? 9 by 14. 14 is defined as 2 into 7. Factors of 14 are 2 and 7. 2, that means it is a terminating decimal. 7, it is a recurring decimal. Answer clearly shows that it should be a terminating and recurring. Terminating because it contains 2, recurring because it contains 7. Answer should be a combination of terminating and recurring. This is a terminating decimal. This is a recurring decimal. This is a terminating decimal. This is terminating and recurring. How much time it has taken for you to solve this question? Again, I am repeating it, sir. 9 by 14. 14 is a combination of 2 and 7. If the denominator contains power of 2 or power of 5, then it is a terminating decimal. 2 will give you terminating. 7 will give you recurring. 7 will give you recurring. Answer should be a combination of terminating and recurring. There is no bar on this. It is a terminating decimal. There is bar on the entire digits. It is a recurring decimal. There is no bar. It is a terminating. Answer should be a combination of terminating and recurring. Answer should be a combination of terminating and recurring. I hope the idea it is clear. Hey Anil sir, what if there is an answer like this? What if there is an answer like this? 0.6428573. I eliminated 3 options because of that statement. What if there is an answer? You don't need to ask a doubt. I must have got 1.5 crore questions in my mind. So before you asking a question, I myself will keep an answer. Just listen to the class and learn as possible concepts. If you are using this R.S. Agarwal method, definitely you will not clear the placements. And you think that you are an 8-pointer or an 8.5 pointer. But the people who are smart, who are not necessarily the muggers, will probably end up succeeding ahead of you. All these darkness of not practicing, not knowing concepts, you are going to see it in the next few weeks. I hope the idea it is clear concept.